Nakhumicha says the ministry will move to court if the Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentist Union does not call off their doctors' strike, which entered its 41st day on Tuesday. Now, since March 14th, the doctors have abandoned their duty stations and have been protesting the government's failure to post medical interns and obey a 2017 collective bargaining agreement on doctors' labour terms.
With the doctors' strike clocking day 41 today, the hope of millions of Kenyans being that a consensus will be reached, Health CS Susan Nakhumicha has said the government will initiate court proceedings and file a status report regarding the agreement they had if the medics fail to call off their strike.
Follow up to the doctors' refusal to call off the strike, we have instructed our council to immediately move to court and file the status report as to what we had agreed to and initialed on as a return to work formula. Equally, we will be asking our council to appeal to the court to review the orders that had been issued initially so that we are allowed to take the necessary action to ensure that Kenyans continue to enjoy healthcare services.
Addressing the press alongside the all-of-nation approach team and a section of governors, the CS noted that the government had no intention of allocating more funds for intern doctors other than the 2.2 billion shillings.
The ministry has received 2.4 billion for payment of internship. And I want to clarify that this 2.4 billion is available to the ministry up to June 2024. So the offer of 70,000 for those interns who need to be posted is still available, and this offer shall have to be renegotiated after June 2024.
CAG Chair Anne Waiguru didn't spare the doctors, noting that they should resume their duties within 24 hours.
It is most unfortunate that the doctors have deliberately refused and ignored or disregarded the courtesies extended to them. The doctors are therefore insensitive to the suffering and plight of the vulnerable Kenyans in dire need of health services. It was further agreed that the union shall immediately call off the strike, and the union members participating in the strike arising from the strike notice dated 6 March 2024 shall immediately return to work, but not later than within 24 hours of executing this deed.
However, it is a win for mothers after funds for Linda Mama were released, alongside funds to facilitate the running of faith-based facilities.
A total of 2 billion has been paid for Linda Mama arrears to all health facilities. Equally, 1 billion has been paid to all faith-based facilities that had claims. 1.5 billion has been paid to all government facilities that were owed.
Ian Keitane, Look Up TV.
Now, still on matters health, the Anglican Church under the